Hello everyone, today we're going to make this two-layer resin painting in the photo. Okay, it starts off on a bigger cradled board. This one is 1.25 inches. Bigger band on the bottom, bigger flat top. We used Pro Marine Supplies tabletop epoxy in this resin artwork, this resin painting. So just figured I'd say that. It's just a brand that I like. I also like Super Clear. I also like Fox Rizzle and Countertop FX. So lots of different brands that I like, but today I chose Pro Marine Supplies. This resin was older too. It was about 2 years old and it still worked great. Okay, the color product today is Aluminum Bright. This is a metal pigment powder that I sell on my website, resincolors.com. Same old-fashioned technique with Pro Marine Supplies resin that I've used over the years. Just mix for 5 minutes and put it down there, you know, torch and tilt, pop the bubbles, all that good stuff. So this probably isn't really tuned towards beginner, but this is just some of the stuff you can do with resin. So, okay, here's a nice little flyover of the very first layer, and then the next layer will be the alcohol inks. Those are all gonna be pinatas. And then after that, I'll come back in and we'll do some rich gold. Now on the alcohol inks, I just played around, had some fun. No rhyme or reason or method to it. But there will be a little flyover of the colors that I used. And you can see that. Plus, they'll be linked in the description. So all that stuff I used will be linked in the description for everybody. So, okay. Oh, yeah. And I always get a bunch of questions on that tape. That tape is HVAC tape. I use that instead of painter's tape because, like with the torch and the tilt, if you bump the aluminum tape, you know, you can't really catch that stuff on fire. So, okay. All right. We'll get back to the video. I'll quit rambling. You guys can watch. So, here you go. Oh yeah, something important I wanted to show you here. I did play around with a couple different colors of alcohol inks. On a layer of resin, it can stain it. So I wiped that about as hard as I could with alcohol and tried to get it out. It wouldn't come out, but okay. You guys can watch me play with the old alcohol inks right here. And you really can't even see that stain after it's all done. So just want to tell you that. Okay. Okay, this is the second layer of resin, same kind, Pro Marine Supplies. I did not tape this one off. I just kind of, spread it around with my hands till I had enough on there. I do believe like each time on this one, this was a 23-inch cradled board. I do believe I used about 24 to 26 ounces of resin, a little bit extra, because I do like to have that clear to be able to do some stuff. So, okay, just figured I'd throw that in there. So here you go. Hey, this is a technique that I'm working on right here. I wanted to push some of that back and kind of build some depth. So I put some clear on it, and then when this next little spot of clear goes through, you can kind of see it, do, I don't know what you want to call that, like back lacing or building depth. I don't know what you want to call it, but I like it. You guys have seen me doing some other videos and stuff. And then right here, I tried to shrink down this gold band. I was a little too big and I wanted to make it narrower. So I used the torch and tilted it back. It did a little bit, and it created an effect where it kind of made that like, thicker wall of gold right there. But, it kind of came back just a little bit. It's not too bad, but it's just one of those things. So there's that rich gold. That stuff leaves to the top. Thinking about putting that in one of those charcuterie boards that I electrocute. Oh man, here's the flyover. So look at all those cells and the alcohol ink on top of the aluminum bright. It came out really, really pretty, and I like it. One thing that I may have made a mistake on is that gold band might be a little too big. And I did forget to spray this with some of that UV protectant stuff for the alcohol inks. But, the resin does have some UV protectant in it. I'll keep this painting for a while, probably monitor it, see what happens. But it came out really, really pretty, and I'm digging it. I'm happy with it. So, okay, well, here it is. I'll put some stills in it. There'll be some outside stills. I caught it on a sunny day, so it looked really, really good. And then some other ones on an overcast day right after a blizzard. So, okay, here you go. Okay, guys, and here's a little sneak peek of that walnut charcuterie board that I did the video on a couple weeks ago with that affordable resin form. So just a little wiping it down with some denatured alcohol, cleaning it up a little bit, kind of looking and see what's going to happen. But okay, figured I'd throw a little clip of that in there. I got it all flattened out. I will be making a video on a router sled, and I do have some stuff filmed on priming these rounds and everything. So a couple different ways we can go with videos. You guys let me know in the comments on what you want to see. I do want to pursue my art a lot more. And these charcuterie boards though, and like the river table I got planned out, that stuff's a lot of fun too. So I'm just enjoying everything I'm doing. So hope you guys enjoy doing stuff with resin too. And like I said, if you need colors or color products, and you need to read some blogs or information, I do have a lot of that stuff up on my website at www.resincolors.com. So, Okay, well, it's been a fun little video. Hope you all enjoyed it, and I will talk to you all soon. See you later. Bye-bye.